Right.
Baba.
Alright. How many eggs have you found? Hey, Grandad, you take this bag. 4! You've had 4!
See now. Roll it in the hole. Down this way.
Wow! You hit me there! Ah, you got me! Aye! Ah, that one rolled right between your legs that Mummy threw. Oh. Where is it?
That one open. Put it in the bag here.
Oh, ready for the
It's open. Put it in the bag, it's open. Put it in the bag, that one's open. You go shoot it cleanly now. Right? Oh. This way.
Do you think you're playing pitch and putt? You're meant to be Easter egg rolling. You just missed your mummy.
Just missed the Grandad.
Hey, ouch! Get on this way. Stephanie's got to throw it this way, come on. See what I've got this way.
This way. Towards Grandad.
Get on, catch. Get on. Get on. Oh.
Throw!
You're doing it, eh?